So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Experimental Guy Ayush, and today we are going to make a cycle reflector, means brake light. So let's go. So guys, first of all you can see there is a battery, brakes and 3 LEDs in the reflector. So first of all we have to connect all the positive sides of the LEDs together, and now connect all the negative sides together. So now you can see we have 2 wires left. Now take the positive wires and wind it in the brakes. And take another wire and also wind it in the brakes. And take the negative wire and connect it with the battery's negative terminal. And connect the positive terminal of the battery with one brake. And now our circuit diagram is ready. You can see as these both will be touched by the rims of the tire, the circuit will be completed and the light will continue to blink. So now let's see the process. So guys, for making this backlight we need cardboard, scissor, wires, aluminium foil, Fevikwik, battery, LEDs and a reflector. So guys, first of all take the reflector and remove the upper part and make some holes. Now take a cardboard and cut out and fix it in the reflector. After sticking the cardboard, take aluminium foil and stick it on the cardboard. So guys, after sticking the aluminium foil, take LEDs and place it in the hole. So guys, you can see I have fixed the LEDs and folded the positive sides. Now take a wire and connect all the positive sides together. After connecting all the positive sides, now connect all the negative sides together. So you can see I've connected all the negative wires together. Now take some more wires and connect it with the negative and positive side. After connecting it the wire, take a tape and secure it. After securing it with the tape, take the cover and stick it with the help of Fevikwik. And now our reflector is ready. So guys, you can see I have connected the reflector and joined extra wires. Now these wires will go straight here and will be connected to the battery. So guys, you can see I have connected the wires from the reflector, and now take any one wire and join it with the brake after peeling off the cover. So you can see I have peeled the wires and now stick it with the brakes. So you can see I have stick it with the tape, and we have to do the same to the other side. So guys, you can see I have connected on the both sides, but sorry guys, I have told you one thing wrong. Just you have to peel out this wire, and this wire will be directly connected to the battery. So I am cutting it out. So guys, you can see that I have directly connected one wire with the reflector wire, and this wire will be connected with the wires which we have put here. So guys, now our brake light is ready. So let's test it. You can see I have connected it with the brake. I have connected it with the battery, and as I will press the brake, our light will be start light. See. Guys, thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe and share. You can see our headlight is also working very fine. Thank you.